Minister of State for Health and Social Welfare, Dr. Tunji Alausa, who expressed the commitment of the federal government to provision and expansion of healthcare infrastructure, knows that the oxygen plant will go a long way in assisting FMC Abuja to meet the oxygen needs of Nigerians using the facility. Represented by the Director of Hospital Services, Federal Ministry of Health, Dr. Jimoh Salaudeen, the minister assured of more healthcare facilities across the country.
You will realize that the minister mentioned something as regards to the issue of cancer. About 6 zones in the country are going to benefit from equipment that will be helping in managing cancer. So as regards to all these initiatives, expect more.
Global Fund Initiative, represented by Mark Eddington, commended FMC Abuja, Ogun State and Nigeria for the sustained effort towards the establishment of a sturdy healthcare infrastructure to serve Nigerians.
The last 10 years in particular, we have seen some really good results. We've seen people on antiretroviral therapy living with HIV go from about 15% to over 80%. We've seen TB active case finding go from probably one of the lowest in the world.
Global Fund came along and they've supported us. They provided lots of cylinders of oxygen for us, but they've now made it more sustainable.
Mortality associated with lack of oxygen will be greatly reduced. So we are very grateful to the federal government, Global Fund and the state governor.
Installation of the oxygen power plant was conceived in 2020 in response to the outbreak of COVID-19 pandemic and now being implemented as a proactive measure to prevent the emergence of similar pandemics in the country.